Why niching down can be such a big deal and so complicated for new content creators, possibly. Maybe you're an entrepreneur, maybe you're starting in the world of business online, a business owner, but you want to establish your name online. Definitely, you have to stay in this video. Again, Carla, your content creator coach, and we have to talk about and break it down a little bit. What the heck with the niche, right? That is specifically going to help you to understand better everything related for your brand and how you want to position yourself on the social media, I would say. But why don't we go to the actual root of the problem? And a lot of people think, well, I'm starting content creation right now. It's not a big deal. Why should I niche down? And in case you didn't know, my friend, some cases, there are very, very low cases, I would say, that you don't need to niche down. There's no need. Possibly, maybe you're a lifestyle content creator. So definitely, probably there's not even a need to do it. But if you are starting to create online and you want to establish your brand, you want to get the chance to connect with the right audience, you want to send a message so specific to the point that you want to start growing effectively and, best part of it, growing correctly, I would say go ahead and start niching down. And I would say at this point, the way that I started niching down my business, which it was before, we're talking about 3 years ago, when I used to teach online to students and I was a coach. So this is the case for my case and my perspective. Once I started niching down, everything changed. Since the moment that I could build an actual community, more than 1K followers and 1K subscribers at any platform pretty much, to the moment of reaching to the point of getting the amount of clients that I was expecting to have, and also the correct ones. So this is specifically for business owner. Maybe you want to start your business online. Maybe you want to start that Shopify store and who knows. Or maybe you're a content creator who actually should start niching down if you want to reach to the right brands and you want to be connected with your own audience and you want to be contacted by people that they actually really would love to connect with you. And maybe you can get a sponsorship in the future, and who knows. And one of the greatest benefits that I would say that we have to talk about it completely is that I would say the number one is that once you choose that niche, which is a segment, a part of the market in, online, maybe you are a business owner and probably you love everything related with clothing, right? So you're selling products, you're selling clothing, you're selling a lot of products related to, to fashion, who knows? And why would you go and connect everybody suddenly? You are not any type of clothing. Probably you want to focus only on the sportive type of, clothing and pants and sweatshirts and who knows. That's the reason you should position yourself in a specific segment. That's how it is practically when it comes to choosing the right niche. So when you start choosing the right niche, the right amount of people, and specifically I would say the person who's going to connect with you and specifically would connect with your product, connect with your content creation, that's going to be, who knows, in the future, a possible customer, a client. Maybe you're, a coach. Maybe you're working online. Maybe you're even a therapist. Who knows? And like I was saying, as a content creator coach, I can tell you, my friend, of course, in the world of content creation, you should niche down. And believe me, when I say content creation, there's a lot of content creators, but not all the content creators are going to focus in lifestyle. There are certain creators that they could be streamers. They could be, people that they tend to have YouTube channels only. There are other group of creators that they just focus on short form, which is kind of like TikTok style videos or Instagram reels, and who knows. So that could be one of the examples that you should focus and start establishing little by little, choosing your audience, choosing your message, and not to speak just to everybody's, just like I'm going to give you today the message for everybody's, and whoever grabs it, then, you can grab the message. When you niche down, that'll be the example. It's going to be the message would be to that person specifically who probably is going to buy your product online. It's not as sportive. Maybe it's a dress. Maybe it's so elegant to the point that that person won't get that clothing in anywhere else. It will be only in your store. That's niching down. That creator probably he loves working with technical and everything that is related to tech products, cameras, gadgets, you call it, microphones, who knows. And he just loves that type of content when it comes to creating videos. He's not going to be comfortable grabbing a little bit of beauty products or lifestyle products or nutrition products. So that content creator possibly should focus only everything related with tech. So who knows, in the future, he can get sponsorship. He can connect with brands that are going to invest in this content creator because he actually knew how to niche down. And why don't we check it out? I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Okay. So you can let me know in the comment section if it's your first time. And definitely you can like this video if you want to know much more, everything related with content creator tips and tutorials, of course. Definitely go ahead and subscribe on time and let me know in the comment section, have you heard about this crazy word, which is niche? Niche. And definitely one of the benefits would be that is going to be that once you niche down, you will have a reduced competition to the point that it should be a little bit extra reduced competition as you already are planning to establish your brand so much and so specific to the point that maybe in the sub niches, let's say I'm a content creator, but like I was saying again, I'm going to focus in tech. Let's say this content creator, it's the person who loves only beauty products, makeup products, and that's it. She does not feel comfortable doing videos with nutrition. It's just only beauty, beauty stuff, makeup, and who knows, super girly and whatever. So, that'll be the case of somebody who's niching down specifically in the market of beauty, right? And the market of content creation, but the sub niche, the position that she's grabbing is already only beauty. So that would be another example. That'll be one of the greatest advantages, reduce competition. And who knows, that content creator, or influencer, who knows, she will have much more results because she concentrated in that niche, which is only beauty, right? The second advantage would be to increase brand loyalty. Usually the market is so huge. We know that. But to the point that maybe you have a product and it's so successful to the point that it will help only to a certain amount or percentage of people. That's going to be the loyalty that little by little, probably you will start building online. So little by little, you will start getting much more customers, much more sales. And best part of it, little by little, you're going to start grabbing those reviews, revisions, and best part of it, the recognition as a brand. Number 3, it'll be the greater expertise and credibility. And this is so true because when you establish yourself as an expert, let's say that there's only one person who knows how to coach everything related to training, and that person is you, my friend. Maybe you're a guy who loves to teach and you know how to create extra income. You are related to the finances. You know how to handle business whenever it comes to finances. And you are the one who has the capability, the skills, and the actual expertise, I would say. Then the expertise that you have, nobody's going to get it. Nobody's going to have it just like this. It's only you. Through that expertise, you are going to get so much successful, and the credibility of the people, of the audience, will come up little by little, as they call it right now, organically. So another advantage too, it could be more effective marketing. And as you must know, again, my friend, when it comes to marketing strategies, now we have anything in social media, so many platforms, that at the end of the day, any strategy, it's going to help to build up your personal brand, to grow probably your Shopify store, maybe your business online, maybe something minimum that you're selling online, or even if you're an entrepreneur. So that could be the effective marketing. So let's say maybe you want to start investing in everything related to ads, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on TikTok. Trust me when I tell you, the marketing strategy will be much more effective. A lot of people, they rather stay organically, create their content, put those videos, upload those videos, and they don't want to invest whatever is related with ads. Other type of percentage of market or owners, business owners, they do not mind to start investing in everything related to ads. So that's how it goes. And that creates the environment to get an effective marketing strategy. The following one would be the improved focus. And if you take a look, when you actually chose that niche, let's say you chose already what you really wanted already, and once you chose it, because it's so specific, because it's so easy to work with, by the time you start creating videos, you start promoting that product, it's not going to be complicated, because you know who you're talking to and you know how your message should be. And I will give you an example right now why it could be so much focus. Let's say that I just want to focus in the actual adults, under 40 years old, and comparing to somebody who really wants to reach only teenagers. Whatever is the case, teaching, training, whatever is related to teenagers. Comparing to the other one with the 40-year-old, I would say market, okay, it's going to be super different. There's no way that somebody's going to connect and somebody's going to sell a product to a teenager comparing to a 40-year-old. I mean, it's just common sense, right? So definitely you can let me know in the comment section. Have you heard about this one? Do you know how to work already? Have you niched down? Maybe you are in the process. Maybe you haven't decided. You can let me know in the comment section. And of course, you can double check in the description down below. I created for you a free guide with 16 niches that you can go ahead and start choosing right now to start your YouTube channel this year. So definitely super glad to see you back. And my name is Carla, your content creator. I see you in the next one.